Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. Thanks for checking in with us today. We're going to show everyone how easy and simple it is to install the Model 3 badges to the back of the car. So these are going to go on right here. We're going to show you how simple it is to put them on. First, we're going to show you some more chrome features. Now, this is a vinyl applique, simple to put on, brings back the Tesla rear applique look that all Model S's and Model X's have. But before we do that, we're going to show you some of the awesome carbon fiber features in this Model 3. Of course, we have the full wrapped door handles, which provide great anti-scalding in summer months. And this is our sill plate, which is a nice, beautiful carbon fiber wrap. You'll never get a scratch on there with that. And then we've got our full dashboard wrap. So you can see it right there. It's a beautiful carbon fiber dashboard wrap, as well as our three-piece center console flip. And this is a great fit. Again, easy to install. We've got a real simple installation video that people can watch to see how easy it is to put this on themselves. No need to pay a shop to do it. We also offer it in, of course, the 3M Scotch Guard Clear Bra. And also, we're going to be coming out with this very soon. Many customers have already got their carbon fiber and they want us to cover up the buttons so we don't get a lot of scratches on this piano black surface. So this will be another part we're working on. It'll be a a two-piece applique covering the door handle release as well as all the windows. So check back for that. But for now, let's show you how easy it is and how beautiful the car looks with this Tesla badging. Now, a lot of people don't like the badging. They want to keep it simple. We understand that, but a lot of people for $29 would love to see chrome letters on the back of their car, since they've got chrome around the windows and chrome on other items, and they like chrome. So this is the only part that takes a little bit of judging is a guide tape. So normally on a Model S, we're about 2 inches from the left and about 2 inches from the bottom. So this is all personal preference, but I'm going to go with a nice line like that. I think starting the M here is going to be good. So I might even put another piece on just to help with alignment. Make sure that I'm going nice and level and not too close to the side. So that's all you got to do. Now we're going to send these out with heavy plastic backing on them, but for now it's even simpler just with some Scotch tape over the front. And we're also going to offer the two ways. You're going to get it with the 3 sign or 3 dashes. So that way you can put the original Elon Model E look on your car without upsetting Ford, since you're an individual like I am, and if we want to put 3 dashes on the back of our car, nobody should be able to stop us. Anyway, let's take a look at the alignment here, and you'll see these are all double-sided tape is on the back. You just simply hold it up, line it up with your left edge, line it up with the right edge, and simply put the letters down just like that and press them down. Now this double-sided adhesive is 3M VHB, very high bond strength material. It's the same thing Tesla uses for all their emblems. And our emblems, of course, are plastic, just like Tesla, but they are fully chrome plated with UH or a protection guard, so they're not going to fall off, they're not going to discolor, they're not going to get it's a UV resistant, sorry. And these are gonna hold on here for years. If you wanna take them off, you change your mind, just use some floss or fishing line. Fish go right behind them, slide it back and forth, up and down, and take them off. But to me, that looks great. Now you can get one of our carbon fiber license plates so you're not redundant with your Model 3. So we sell beautiful carbon fiber license plates. You can put your name on it. You can put anything on it you want. Elon, we've made all kinds of custom ones that say Elon is God, ludicrous, non-ludicrous, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 0 to 60, 2.3, whatever you want. We make customized plates. So again, let's just go up closer. Now this has the carbon fiber T-wrap, but we leave the perimeter exposed, showing the chrome all the way around. So it really looks really nice with the black paint. And these are, again, of course, the Tesla letters here, showing the paint through them. And again, this is a vinyl applique. And now we have the great Model 3 badges. Looks so nice, so beautiful. We're gonna take a lot of pictures, put a lot of photos up on the website. But hey, if you like chrome, you like your chrome windows, and you want the Model 3 badge on the back of your car, we're gonna be selling these for the $20 range. Could be as low as $19 or $29, we're not sure yet. Again, RPM Tesla. Thanks again for checking in. And look at the quality of this chrome plating. It's absolutely phenomenal.